Welcome. We all encounter negative energies and entities in our lives, whether from our surroundings, interactions, or inner struggles. These can drain our energy, affect our mood, and disturb our mental peace. Today, we will embark on a journey to shield ourselves from these negative influences, equipping you with powerful techniques to protect your energy and maintain your spiritual well-being. Imagine being surrounded by a protective bubble, a shield that guards you against negativity and harmful entities. This shield is not only possible, but essential for maintaining our mental and spiritual health. Shielding helps us stay grounded, calm, and centered amidst the chaos. In this meditation, we will explore the art of creating energetic boundaries, cleansing our spaces, and protecting our aura. Let's dive in and learn how to fortify our personal energy fields. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down for this meditation. The most important tools you need are your intention and your focus. Let's start by setting a clear intention for this meditation. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times until you feel centered. Now silently state your intention to protect and shield yourself from all negative energies and entities. Feel this intention resonate within you. Visualize a bright, white light emanating from your heart center. With each breath, see this light expanding, forming a protective sphere around your body. This light is your shield, impenetrable and strong. Imagine this light growing brighter and more vibrant, enveloping you completely. Feel its warmth and protection. Affirm to yourself, I am safe. I am protected. Only positive energies can enter my space. Now visualize a beautiful violet flame appearing before you. This flame is gentle yet powerful, capable of transmuting any negative energy into positive energy. See the violet flame growing and enveloping your entire being. Imagine the flame moving through your body and space, cleansing every corner, every cell, and every thought. Feel its warmth and purifying energy as it dissolves any negativity, leaving you feeling light and refreshed. Continue to breathe deeply. Visualize the protective sphere around you becoming even more resilient. Picture it repelling any negative energy or entity that comes near. Affirm, "My shield is strong and unbreakable." Make this shielding practice a daily habit, especially in the morning or before entering a challenging environment. Always set clear, positive intentions. Believe in the power of your mind and spirit. Listen to your inner voice. It will guide you in strengthening your shield and maintaining your energy. Regularly ground yourself by visualizing roots extending from your body into the earth, providing stability and strength. If you find it difficult to maintain focus during this meditation, try incorporating grounding exercises before you start. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the ground, anchoring you. If you feel overwhelmed, take a break and return when you are ready. Remember, it's okay to seek professional guidance if needed. You've now learned how to create and maintain a powerful shield against negative energies and entities. By regularly practicing these techniques, you can protect your mental and spiritual well-being, allowing you to navigate life with greater ease and confidence. I encourage you to try out these shielding techniques in your daily life. Share your experiences in the comments below and let me know how it has impacted your energy and well-being. Don't forget to explore other videos on my channel for more guidance on maintaining your spiritual health. Thank you for joining this meditation, and remember, you have the power to protect your energy. Sit quietly for a few more moments, embracing the feeling of protection and peace. When you're ready, Slowly open your eyes and carry this shield with you throughout your day.